Warning. Asteroid detected to be on course with Earth. Collision will occur within 168 hours, or 1 week.
The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA, the United States government, and the Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. An oncoming asteroid has been detected at 10:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The asteroid is set to collide with Earth in approximately 1 week. NASA is doing everything in their power to prevent the asteroid from reaching Earth. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for more information.